Welcome back, guys. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue on my S14. I finally got my welder gas in. I got my tank, my regulator, so I can finally weld legitly instead of flux core welding. Flux core is just like the cheapest, most economical way to weld. And let me show y'all what I got set up now. So that's my tank. It's not very big. It's not the smallest one, but it's not the biggest one. The bigger one would be up to here somewhere. Then my regulator. Then I actually got the PSI. I think it's like cubic feet per minute. I got it set right at 25 on here. It's hard to see it, but that's what I got it set at. Got me an 11-pound spool of 0.30 wire. So I'm actually really excited to start welding.
Yo, boy.
So basically, I'm gonna start my wheel welds. Get that welded in. I'll probably start spot welding these arches. All these where we took off that glue. It's hard to see. I gotta get the light on. But regardless, I'll come back to y'all here in a little bit. Alright, welcome back, guys. So I'm back. I got the light going, so now y'all can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually cut that tub where we left off. I'm gonna cut it so it'll fit right along this corner here. That's already cut, and I'm gonna start spot welding. I'm gonna have to grind some of that paint off. I'm gonna start spot welding it in place there. Then once I get done with that, I'm gonna cut this off completely, and then I'll get my flat sheet of metal on there. And that'll pretty much be it. But yeah, I'm just gonna put y'all on a stand, and y'all can see how it goes. Alright, so I've been basically just trimming the wheel well to get it perfectly fit on there. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spot weld it and start shaping it into the actual, to the car. So basically I got it shaped up. I grinded this away, which y'all see in the cut I put in there and all that. And on the actual wheel well, I grinded that down so it can actually get good contact. So yeah, so y'all enjoy me welding. So I need a lifter, Jose Junior, or what? No, lifter, leave it like that.
Mira, güey, que ya tú lo tienes, o is that how you wanted it?
What are you talking about?
Is that how you wanted to have it on the bottom? I thought it was supposed to be sitting.
Oh yeah.
Ya ves, güey. And you were telling me that, what the fuck am I talking about? You got to tap it in the corner without a wrench, probably.
What the fuck, Ivan? Damn, Ivan, I had fucking trust in your ass.
Pues I had trust in you.
Hasta de más, güey.
I had trust in you, pero me quemaste, perro.
You scarred him for life,
What the
güey.
fuck was that?
I don't know. Piece of metal flew off.
See?
Yeah, this way.
Yeah, this.
Better.
It's good, bro.
It's
Gucci, man.
Surprisingly.
It's Gucci.
Except for you have a fat ass gap on this side now.
Where? Over there? Do I really?
Look at fat ass gap.
Where?
Bruh, something went wrong. Look at that gap. Everything lines up, but that gap in there is like big ass.
It still has a fat ass gap, right?
Bruh, I told you.
So what, take it off again? But I mean, it looks straight though.
Yeah, it was like there, and now it's like not there.
I mean, look,
Like something went wrong.
like that.
One corner.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so my welds are kind of shitty, so don't judge me, but I'm learning as I go. But let me show you what I got. Alright, so basically I got the top part welded, and I just literally did spot welds. I kind of tried skipping around to keep the metal from actually flexing. And right here actually it like warped on me a little bit. Right here it like dented in some. I don't know if you can see it, but regardless, I'm gonna body work it, and my welds ain't the greatest, but I guess it could be worse, right? And then I just started doing some spot welds up here. Basically is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna grind them off some. I'm just running about just approximately 1 inch apart, some spot welds. And then I'm gonna grind them down. And I got a lot I gotta do. I need to get me a wire brush to clean it up a little bit better, because they don't want to make good contact because it's got like seam sealer on there still or something. But basically it's getting there. And then I gotta fill this hole in, basically the gap, which I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put like a cardboard behind it, measure it out, then cut it out, fix the gap. And that was my bad, I freaking cut too much, but it's all good. You live and you learn. Hopefully the other side comes out a lot better. And this is literally maybe like a couple millimeters. It's about 1/2 inch maybe. Then I gotta fill this gap, and that's just because this wheel tub ain't big enough from the side. It's actual side length, so that's pretty much why, which it's all good. I'm gonna do a flat piece just right here all the way down, and then basically I'm gonna body work all this bondo, you know, and paint it, make it look nice. So it's getting there. It's getting there, and I don't know if this is gonna be entertaining to y'all or not, but I'm gonna still record it and I'm gonna still upload it. But regardless, I'm gonna continue, keep doing what I'm doing. So I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, so I pretty much gotta call it a day because my compressor wasn't working, and I was actually trying to cut my piece. Where did I leave it at? Basically there I had like some test welds on here, but this piece I have marked out, I was gonna actually cut, and I was gonna cut it with my air cutting tool, but the stupid compressor took a shit. So I'm gonna just have to do it tomorrow. Probably buy another compressor. I don't know. You know what I mean? Oh well, it pissed me off honestly, but it is what it is, and I'll just buy another compressor, I guess. So, but regardless, I guess all I got done I got that one tub pretty much welded, and I got those spot welds on there, and got the tub welded up on the top side. I was gonna fill in that hole right there, but like I said, I was trying to cut that piece out, and my compressor shot on me, so it is what it is. But anyways, I'll update y'all. Either I'll just continue the video on this, or I'll just make a second video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like it, share it. I'll see y'all next time. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm just gonna give y'all a little update. I didn't record anything, I just been working on it, but I wanted to give y'all an update on what I've got done on my S14. So basically, so what I did, I finally got this patch filled in there, and then I got this corner piece. Oh shit, it's blurry as hell. And I got this corner piece in here. So basically, I got that corner in and this patch in. And all this, I mean, it looks ugly as shit, but it's welded. I'm gonna grind these spot welds down, basically. And then either fiberglass it a little bit, which won't be much, and then bondo it. And I'm gonna basically, you know, make it look clean, all one piece. I really wish it could have been one piece, but it's too short. And then I got to thinking this side's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with that one. It's just some old tubs I had laying around, so I figured I'd put them to use for something at least. So it'll work regardless. It's gonna be more work, but it's gonna work. And then yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now, I still got the battery tray to do, but for the most part I got that in, which I guess I got a pretty good bit done. I've probably been at it, I would say, about an hour and a half or so, if not more. And then I'll do, once I get this side done, I'll start this side, the driver's side. But yeah, it's a lot of work though, regardless, like I said. But I'm trying to get it done. I want to try to have it done by September. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. But regardless, I'll have y'all another video here pretty soon. I'll probably just put this into one video. I have one that's already pretty much edited, and I'll just add this into it, and then yeah, I'll get back with y'all here and another day, a couple days. I'll probably get back with y'all. We'll be working on Ivan's motor again, so we'll be doing that here. I don't know when. I'm off all week, so I'll be working on the cars regardless. But anyways, thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.